So yesterday I told you class 8 that I will give you some practice exercises as we have completed the modals also, and I have given you the practice exercises of tenses, right? You remember from this register only I have sent you the exercises. It was this one. It was this one, exercise number 1, and this was exercise number 2. So today I am going to give few exercises of the modals may and might. Okay? So I am giving you today the practice exercises. You have to do this in your notebooks. So as you know that we use may and might to talk about the possible happenings or the possible actions in the future. Like, I'm not sure where to go for my holidays, but I may go to Italy. When you are not sure where you will go, right? But he is saying that I may go to the Italy. Perhaps I will go. That means perhaps I will go. The weather forecast is not very good. Weather forecast good nahi hai. It might rain this afternoon. So, weather forecast, according to the weather forecast, perhaps it will rain. So, when there is a possible happening or possible actions in the future, we use may and might. The negative form is may not and might not, right? Anne may not come to the party, she isn't feeling well, or there might not be the meeting on Friday. It doesn't matter whether you use may or might. You can say, I may go to the Italy or I might go to the Italy. So it doesn't matter whether you use may or might. It has almost the same meaning. There is also a continuous form, may or might be doing. Okay? May as well and might as well. Similarly, we can use that. What shall we do this evening? I don't know any ideas. Well, there is a film on the television. Sounds quite interesting. We might as well watch it then. We might as well watch it then. There's nothing else to do. So we use might and might as well to say that we should do something, but only because there is no reason or not to do. When you have no other option, you have nothing else to do, then we use might as well. I hope it is clear to you. I will start the practice exercises. Start writing. Write down. Use, आप ये लिखिए, use may or might wherever possible. Question आपका होगा, use may or might as appropriate. ठीक है, I'll read an example for you. In this exercise we will talk about your or other people's future plans. ठीक है, but you are not sure what is going to happen, so you use may or might. When we are not sure about what may happen, so we use these two modals. For example, where are you going for your holidays? You are not sure. I haven't finally decided, but I may or might go to Italy. Is it clear to you, class 8th? You can just write on the top, fill in the blanks. You complete the sentences. Complete the sentences using may और might. ये आपने नोटबुक्स में करने हैं. ठीक है, इट इज़ अ प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज. आपकी प्रैक्टिस के लिए करा रही हूँ ये. प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3 है ये. 2 मैंने आपको पहले दे दी थी. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस वन इज डन फॉर यू. नाउ वी विल डू दिस. व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ कार आर यू गोइंग टू बाय? Somebody is asking you. Then what you will say? I am not sure yet, but I may or might. I might buy a Mercedes. Clear? What are you doing this weekend? I don't know for sure, but I may go to London. So keep doing with me. साथ साथ करते रहिए. Where are you going to hang that picture? I haven't made up my mind yet, but I may hang it in the dining room. ठीक है? When is Tom coming to see us? I am not sure, but he might come tomorrow evening. He might come tomorrow evening. What's Jill going to do when she leaves school? She hasn't decided yet, but he may join a secretarial course. The main thing is that the usage of may and might. I hope it is clear to you. इसीलिए आपको करवा रही हूँ मैं, ठीक है? This time you have to talk about possible happenings. So use the words in the brackets. Do you think it will rain this afternoon? Do you think it will rain? तो we will start with it may rain this afternoon. हमने इसे statement में बदलना है, ये interrogative form में है. Do you think Anne will come to the party? She might not come to the party. Full stop. Do you think Tom will be late? He may be late. That's it. Do you think Anne will be able to find her house? She might not be able to find our house. Do you think there will be an election this year? There might be an election this year. Okay. Do you think Tony will pass the exam? He may, अब यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है he may not, नहीं टोनी से स्टार्ट करेंगे ना, टोनी दिया हुआ है. Tony may not pass the exam. Do you think they'll be waiting for us when we arrive? They might be waiting for us. They might be waiting for us when we arrive. Do you think it will snow later? Maybe. या इट में इट से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. इट मे स्नो लेटर. ठीक है, तो ये आप अपनी नोटबुक्स में कर लीजिए. ये हो गई आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3. इज इट क्लियर? 8th class. I want to see all the work which I have sent. And the proof is that I am sending the videos, and I can tell the ma'am that I am sending and students are not doing their work. So I am not to be blamed. I am doing my duty. Now it's up to you that I am sending you the practice exercise also, and I have explained you very well in detail. Now we can do one more exercise. We can use this can and could. We can use can, could and be able to. These are all modals. So we know that we use can to say something that is possible for that someone has the ability to do. जब हम can हम तभी यूज करते हैं या तो something is possible और someone has the ability to do that thing. और can't में अगर नेगेटिव फॉर्म में लेना है तो cannot या उसकी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन लग जाएगी can't. You can see the sea from our bedroom window means it's possible. Here it is possible. You can see. Can you speak any foreign language? Here it is asking about the ability. Can you speak? क्या आप में ability है that you can speak? I am afraid I can't come to your party next Friday. So this is in the negative form. I am afraid I can't come. Cannot की short form. Be able to is possible instead of can, but can is more usual. We can use be able to also instead of can. But can is more usual. हम लोग can ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. Can has only two forms. Can is present tense, could is the past tense, and sometimes you have to use be able to also. I haven't been able to sleep recently. Can has no present perfect. बिकॉज कैन का कोई भी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट नहीं होता, और अगर आपने कोई प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में बोलना आई हैवेंट बीन एबल टू, तो वह आप कांट बीन एबल टू नहीं, कांट हैवेंट नहीं कर सकते ना. तो वहां पे हम इसकी बी एबल टू की फॉर्म हैवेंट बीन एबल टू यूज करते हैं. टॉम माइट नॉट बी एबल टू कम टुमारो. माइट नॉट, नो इन्फिनिटिव आ गया. टू कम, वर्ब के आगे जहां टू लगता है वो इन्फिनिटिव्स होते हैं. सो कुड एंड वॉज एबल टू. सिमिलरली ये जो हम पढ़ चुके हैं, I have already explained you. I have just giving you for the practice exercises. Now in this exercise you have to use can or be able to. Sometimes it is possible to use either. कभी हम कुछ बार ऐसा होता है कि हम कोई भी एक यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, they don't have any much difference, थोड़ा सा difference. Sometimes only be able to is possible. George has traveled a lot. He can और he is able to both लग जाएंगे. He can speak 4 language या he is able to speak 4 language. Both are correct. I haven't been able to sleep very well. I haven't, अब यहाँ पे past can की past perfect form नहीं होती है, तो हम वहाँ पे been able to use करते हैं. जब यहाँ haven't आ गया, that means ये perfect form में आ गया. Have, has, had लगता है perfect form में. तो अगर haven't आ गया तो आप वहाँ पे be able to की been able to form लगाएंगे. Tom dash drive but he hasn't got a car. Tom can drive but he hasn't got a, is able to drive भी आ सकता है, but हम यहाँ पे can लिखेंगे. Tom can drive but he hasn't got a car. I can't understand Martin. I can't understand Martin. I have never been able to. यहाँ पे been able to आएगा. I used to dash stand on my head. I used to be able to stand on my head, but I can't do it now. Sometime in the past now, so that is why we are using this. Ask Anne about your problem. She should be able to help. ठीक है. So here we will use the could. You have to complete the sentence with the could. I can't sing now but I could sing. मैं अब नहीं, present tense अब नहीं गा सकता. I could sing, past tense की बात कर रहे हैं. Very well when I was child. So in the same sentence we are talking about the present as well as the past. He can't play tennis very well now but he could play quite well when he was younger. So here he is talking about the present, here we are talking about the past. She can't run very fast now but she was not at school. When she was at the school she could run faster than anyone else. Means अब वो fast नहीं run कर सकती, but वो जब school में थी तो she used to run very fast. I can't swim very far these days but 10 years ago I could swim from one side of the lake to the other. So all these are the usages of can and could. Do this in your grammar notebook. This is your exercise number 4. Practice exercise number 4. So मैंने 4 exercises करा दी हैं. 2 मैंने आपको tenses की भेजी थी और 2 मैंने आपको modals की भेजी हैं. And remember this thing, I have record of everything. You can't just deny this thing that कि मैम ने कराई नहीं. So be very careful. Complete your work in your notebooks. I am very strict about that. And I want to see all the work which I have made you done in your notebooks and your books. Mind this thing. Either you send in the school for checking or you can send me at the number, personal number. I'll write your name that this student has completed the copy and I have checked it. So either you send it in the PDF form on my personal number or you submit it on Monday. Literature as well as grammar. Is it clear to all of you?